Hi, this is Rakesh Rai and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you if you have a laptop or desktop that is unsupported Windows 11. So this video is for you. So in this video, we will do the clean installation of Windows 11 25s2. So first, we will download the setup file and then we will create a Windows 11 bootable pen drive and then we'll do the installation. So it will be a clean installation. So let's see how we can do that. So if you have a supported laptop that support Windows 11, you can follow the same steps. It will work for you also. So let's see how we can do that. So for that, just go to Google and search here Windows 11 download. Windows 11 download, go to the first URL, and over here we have a three method for the installation. First is a Windows 11 installation assistant, then you can create a Windows 11 installation media, and third one is ISO. So this one we will use. For these two we have already created and uploaded a video on our channel, so you can see those videos. If possible, I will share the URLs. So right now we are doing this. So first what you have to do, you have to select Windows 11 multi edition ISO 64-bit from here and then click on confirm. Once you confirm, it will take some time, and then choose language. From here you have to choose language, so just select English United States from here and then click on confirm. So again it will take few seconds, then our download is ready. So if you click on this 64-bit download button, then it will start the downloading. So if you see, it is a 7.2 GB file and it is taking around 35 minutes for my downloading. So make sure you have a good internet speed. So as you can see, I have already downloaded it. So for now I am canceling it, and we will use this setup file. I have already this setup file in my download folder. So this is our first step is complete. So now we will move to the second step. Once your downloading is complete, now go to Google and search Rofus, and then go to the first URL, scroll down. Over here we have four setup files. So first setup file you have to download, that is Rofus 4.11.exe standard 64-bit. The file size is 1.8 MB. This is the latest file. If you click on it, close, and downloading is completed. Okay, so before that I forgot to show one thing, that is what we have downloaded. Over here if you see the current release date of Windows 11 2025, the update version, the version over here it is mentioned 25s2. So this is the latest operating system that we have downloaded. So now our setup is completed, and let me open this. Click on yes. Do you want to? Yes. Now you will see the pen drive is reflecting over here. If you have a one or multiple pen drive in your machine connected, so all will show here. So you have to select the USB drive, and if it is not showing, that means you need to check whether pen drive is detected or not. So for me it is a 128 GB USB drive, so it is detected, and it is reflecting over here. So it should select here. Then over here you have to select the ISO file. So for me the file is in a download folder, so this is the file I have selected. And then don't change anything over here, and if you want you can rename this volume. So let me change. If you want you can keep it like this only. So anything you can set, and don't change anything else here. So now you have to click on start. So once you click on start, So very important option over here. If you see it, Windows 11 requirement is 4 GB RAM and TPM 2.0 IC, and those requirements are there. So if you want to bypass those, if you have an unsupported PC, in that case you can select all these options, and if you have a supported PC, you can uncheck this, and the people who have a unsupported PC, make sure you check these boxes. And if you want local user by default created with any name, you can type the name. So let me set all these. If you have an unsupported PC, make sure you click on the all the boxes, and then okay. If you have a supported PC, you can ignore or uncheck these boxes. So now click on OK. There is a warning that all the data in the pen drive will be deleted. So just click on OK. Make sure if you have important data, take the backup from the pen drive and click on OK. So it will take some time. So we'll start the installation after completing. And one more important thing, that don't try this bootable file creation if you have a below 16 GB pen drive. Minimum you should have a 16 GB pen drive, because already our setup file is 7 plus GB. So it will be a issue if you have a smaller pen drive. So make sure you have a at least 16 GB pen drive, or SD card also you can use using a card reader. Now you can see our Windows 11 bootable pen drive is successfully created, and it is showing ready. So now we can close, and we can eject the USB flash drive from here. And once it is ejected, we can insert in a new laptop, and then we can start the installation. So let's see how we can do that. Now I have inserted my pen drive and turning on the laptop, and first we have to set up the BIOS. In BIOS we have to set up the first boot device as our pen drive. So maybe in your case it is a different model, different make, so you can search on Google or comment below. We will help you to set up all those things. And let me quickly set up. So I will select the first boot device as a pen drive. If you have any doubt, if you have a desktop or laptop, so you can comment. They will definitely help you. So let me quickly set up. So first boot device is set as our pen drive now, and let me check whether it is booting or not. So as you can see, it is booted with our pen drive. So first these two option is okay. You just click next, and over here just click on next. From here you just select the installation option. You can repair the voice also, and accept, and then next. And we will not insert or enter any license key here. If you have, you can enter the license key. We will activate it later. And from here you select the version, which version you want to install. So we will select Pro. You can select as per your requirement if you have a license, and then it may take some time here. So it will be a clean installation, step by step you can do. And over here you can see already we have operating system, and I will do the clean installation. If you want to save your data, if you have data in your other drives, except those drive, you can delete all other drives. If you have any doubt here to create the partition, so you can create one partition and install the operating system, and then after installation you can synchronize and create other partition. That option is also there. So here I'm creating two partition, 150 GB for operating system and rest for data store. So let me quickly create. And also you can search on Google, and in our channel also you will see some videos are there to how you can create a partition while installation. In detail I have explained. So as you can see, I have created two partition, and now we need to select the operating system partition. So that is our 150 GB partition. So I will select that, and I have to click on next. So installation now it will start. So it will take here around 1.5 hour or maybe 2 hour for the complete installation, and it may restart multiple time while installation. So it is sometime depend on your system speed also. And if you are facing any other issue, make sure you comment below. We will definitely reply to your comment. We will reply to all the comments. And once you are here, you have to connect the internet, or you can skip it from here. This skip option is coming because we have selected all those checkbox while creating the pen drive. You If you skip those option there, or uncheck those boxes, you will not see this skip option here. So you have to connect the internet before logging in. As you can see, a royal user we have created while creating the bootable pen drive. So it is created, and now we are logging in. So installation is completed, and if you have any doubt, comment below. If you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment if you have any kind of doubt, because we will reply to all the comments. And if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.